Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from ServiceNow to Snowflake using Informatica, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring data from ServiceNow to Snowflake using Informatica, ensure you have the necessary access credentials for both systems. Start by launching Informatica and logging into your account. Create a new integration project to manage the workflow. Next, configure the ServiceNow connection in Informatica. In the connection settings, input your ServiceNow instance URL and authenticate using your credentials. Test the connection to ensure it is successfully established. Once the connection is validated, create a new source definition. Select ServiceNow as your source and choose the table you wish to extract data from. After selecting the table, map the relevant fields you want to include in the data transfer. Next, create a Snowflake connection within Informatica. Input your Snowflake account details along with the database and warehouse configurations. Test the Snowflake connection to confirm it is operational. Now, create a target definition for Snowflake where the data will be loaded. After creating the target, map the source fields from ServiceNow to the corresponding fields in the Snowflake target table. Build a mapping task in Informatica to define the flow of data from the source to the target. Add any necessary transformations to the mapping, such as filtering or aggregation. Once the mapping is complete, validate it to ensure there are no errors. Now create a workflow that encompasses the mapping task. Configure the execution settings for the workflow, defining parameters like schedule and monitoring options. After setup, run the workflow to initiate the data transfer process. Monitor the workflow progress to ensure data is being transferred without errors. Once completed, verify the data in Snowflake to ensure accuracy and consistency. Finally, document your integration process for future reference or for new team members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.